Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
Today, we are going to learn and experience a simple pendulum.
It seems boring, teacher.
Boring? No way, Alan. It is one of the most interesting topics in physics.
Really? But how, ma'am?
You just wait and watch. See, this pendulum is swinging in a back and forth motion. This motion is called simple harmonic motion. You will study this type of motion in detail in your higher classes.
That's just like the to and fro motion of our old clock.
Exactly. But there is a slight difference between this pendulum and your old clock. Can anyone tell me what that difference is?
Yes, ma'am. The clock has a mechanism which keeps it always in motion, but this pendulum eventually stops.
You're right, Monty. That's because of air resistance and friction. Everyone clap for Monty.